So basically these modules whichever is there were combination of different sources in internet. Okay, internetல சர்ச் பண்ணி இது அதெல்லாம் தேவைப்படும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு விஷயத்தை வச்சு நான் வந்து ஒரு சின்ன சின்ன மாடியூல்ஸை பிரிச்சு எடுத்திருக்கேன். So the module 1 goes with affiliate marketing, introduction to affiliate marketing. Okay, let me present my screen. Yeah, I'll do that. Okay, so we'll be concentrating on introduction to affiliate marketing, where the basics about what is affiliate marketing, the advantages and the disadvantages, and what are the different types of affiliate marketing that one can have. Okay, so we can just give it a try about those. Then the second module that I have taken, the content from various affiliate marketing networks. So different networks of programs that offers affiliate marketing. There are programs like Commission Junction. There is an affiliate program by leading e-commerce platforms like Amazon. Okay, and there are different sources. Okay, in which we will learn about finding affiliate products, which product to market, which product to make a sale, and how do we try to generate revenue. The different platforms that affiliate marketers can sell their products on. Okay, so there are two people involved in the whole process. One person is called a merchant. Merchant is the business owner, and another person is called an affiliate. Affiliate is someone who associates with a merchant as a brand ambassador or as a influencer and helps increase the sales or business of the merchant. And we'll learn how to select the right affiliate marketing platform for one person. Okay, which industry you are good at, and how do we learn to select this affiliate marketing course, or select the affiliate marketing platforms where you can start working and generating revenue. And once you know basics about what is affiliate marketing and how does this work and how do you choose your affiliate marketing programs, as I've already mentioned, you can learn about getting started. Okay, getting started with affiliate marketing. Basically, this is divided into another 4 more modules. Affiliate marketing versus selling your own products. Affiliate marketing is basically associating with another business owner and selling their product and taking a commission. Whereas selling your own product without associating with anybody, you can sell your own product. We can even call it as a direct marketing or direct selling or e-commerce market or sales, that we can call it as. Okay, now there is a comparison, okay, which means like which is best and which is good, something like that. And selling your own products, okay, having your own brand and selling those products. Okay, we can understand the benefits of having those or affiliate marketing, whatever it may be. Which industry to choose? Finding your niche area. Niche means a specific topic or an industry. So which industry to choose from to start your affiliate marketing businesses? That is one thing that we will be discussing. And the different methods of finding the niches, which means the topics. Which topics in which you will be talking about? We can talk about medicines, home remedies, costume designing, vehicle designing, something like that. We can try. So the method of finding different niches, okay, will be learning about how do we kickstart about this. Okay, then finding some popular trends and profitable niches market. So examining which is trending in nature and in which market we can easily have a product to reach the industry. Okay, that is one. And which includes some other modules like finding some popular trends and profitable markets. Basically, we will be doing a research on which product is trending, and if we create a content around the particular product and start publishing it, the probability of people making a sale or a purchase is very high. The concept of similar one, the method of finding niches. So what are the different things that you can do to identify which niche or ideas are profitable, which can give you more revenue system or income? How do we do a keyword research, which is basically how do we identify which keywords to be used in your affiliate marketing programs so that your products can reach people? So basically keyword research is nothing but the same process that we have seen in SEO practice. Okay, in SEO, whenever you try to do some keyword research, we simply try it. Basically keyword research. And creating a website, obviously you can create it using blogger.com or using WordPress or wix.com, whatever it may be. Creating a website and How do you do affiliate marketing without having your own website? Okay, how do you do affiliate marketing without owning or having your own website is what we will also be learning. And in this module 4, finally, compensation methods, which means you will learn how people give you money. Basically, they can give you money per sale, they can give you money per action that is taken by the customer, or pay per click, EPC. It depends. Okay, and yet another module. So how do we market those marketing products on your website? How do you promote these products to other people so that the sale can happen? Okay, the first method is to add affiliate links to your content. Whenever you create a content, while writing the content and promoting the content, add the affiliate link inside your content. Okay, and visual advertisements, creating images, banners, and all the stuff, use those to create your advertisement so that you can run your increase your sales. Producing content related to your niche, basically the blogging system. Okay, we call this one as blog. So basically a blogging system. And post you start doing those affiliate marketing programs, how do you monitor, track, check the performance of your sales or your revenue? We'll be discussing about that. The last but one is how do you get traffic to your website or your affiliate links and generate businesses out of it. Okay, so basically there are two techniques based. Social media is very famous. Content marketing, okay, it includes the basics of SEO, search engine optimization. We use content marketing or product promotion to increase the sales. Okay, and I think this will be the final module. Okay, module 8 is there. Okay. It's going to be a little bit generic how to promote your business with affiliate marketing. Okay, the reason why we need to use affiliate marketing, we will have in-depth insights about it. And how do we attract new affiliates, or how do you recruit the right affiliates who does the right work to promote your product or services. Okay, setting up the relationship or association with them by signing up a MOU or a agreement or a digital signature, something like that, and increasing your affiliates number, which is basically for merchants who wants to sell your product. Okay, the different ways to grow your affiliate program, promoting your affiliate products, and list of marketing softwares and their features. So different softwares that is available in the industry that supports affiliate marketing and which can help you to increase your business revenue. Okay, and starting a business as a merchant. Okay, as a merchant, how do you start a affiliate marketing oriented business? You have a business, how do you integrate your business with affiliate marketing industry and grow up in the business processes? So this is just an overview about the affiliate marketing processes which we have seen. The same modules will be taught to you in depth in the whole sessions for your knowledge purposes. Okay.